Are you a beginner gardener struggling with watering your plants? We've all been there, fumbling with the hose, unsure if we're helping or harming our green friends. Proper watering is key to vibrant, healthy plants. Stick around to discover some simple and effective watering tips. Understanding your plant's watering needs is the first step to a thriving garden. Several factors play into this, including the type of plant, the climate, and the soil type. For instance, succulents prefer dry conditions, while ferns thrive in more moist environments. Your local climate can also affect how much water your plants need, as can the type of soil in your garden. That's why it's so important to research each plant's specific watering needs. Remember, not all plants are created equal when it comes to watering. Now here is a step-by-step guide to watering your plants effectively. Step 1. Try to water your plants in the early morning or late evening when the sun isn't as strong. This helps to minimize evaporation and ensures the water goes straight to the roots. Step 2. Aim to water the soil, not the leaves. Wet leaves can lead to the growth of mold or other diseases. Step 3. Always check the soil's moisture before watering. If it's dry to the touch, your plant is thirsty. If it's damp, wait a day or two before watering again. Following these steps will help ensure your plants get the right amount of water they need. Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered. We delved into understanding your plant's unique watering needs and the various factors that could affect these needs, like weather, soil type, and plant type. We also walked through a step-by-step watering guide aiming to nurture your green thumbs. If this sparked your interest, or if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.